Hello, I'm Florence Nightingale, and this is my nemesis, Vlad Flea. In Scutari Hospital, I knew it was very important to keep clean and wash your hands properly. We're going to have a look at this urchin to see if he does it properly. No, not good enough. Well, that doesn't look right. They're still very dirty. They're still covered in germs. Now we're going to look at how to do it better, and we're going to use a little rhyme. Wet your hands, put soap on now, and wash. This rhyme will show you how. Rub together, back, 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 back. Fingers in between, make an S to keep nails clean. Wash each thumb to catch those germs. Rub each palm, make it firm. Rinse your hands under the tap. Dry them well, and that's a wrap. If you want to find out more about my time in Scutari Hospital and that horrid Vlad Flea, you can read all about it in Vlad and the Florence Nightingale Adventure.